Hey buddies, here's how to attach your original Rolex clasp to our newly developed FKM rubber strap, engineered for a perfect match. To start, you'll need to remove the original Rolex bracelet from the watch head. Use a spring bar tool to gently release it and a soft surface beneath to avoid scratches. Next, remove the clasp from the bracelet by unscrewing the pins. This will free the clasp so it's ready to be attached to your new rubber strap. Start by aligning the strap with the clasp. Designed for a seamless fit, the integration is smooth and secure, built for precision, made for Rolex. Secure the strap using our custom-developed screw tool, made specifically for the Rolex buckle. Tightening it down is quick, simple, and solid. Need the perfect fit? The clasp's built-in adjustment system lets you fine-tune the length down to the millimeter for all-day comfort. Now attach the strap to the lugs. You can use the original spring bars, or the 2.0mm spring bars we include with your strap. Engineered to sit flush with the case, every detail lines up just as it should. The result? A clean, confident fit, built around your Rolex. This is how it's meant to feel. Head over to wristbuddys.com and order yours today.